A closure is when a function remembers variables from its lexical scope. Let's define a function called outer. In this function, we'll define a variable called counter and we'll initiate its value with 0. Now, let's define another function called inner inside the function outer. We'll just increment the value of counter in this function and also print it. We'll print counter colon and then the value of counter. We can see that this counter variable can be modified inside inner because it's in scope for the inner function. Now we'll return the inner function from our outer function. To get the value of this inner function, we'll just call the outer function and store it in a variable called inner call. We'll get the value of inner function in this variable. To call our inner function now, we'll just simply need to call inner call. If I clear out my console and execute our program, we can see the value of counter is 1. But now, if I invoke inner call once again, it will remember the value of counter as many times as I invoke the function. The value of counter is being remembered by the inner function. Still, the counter variable is private and can only be modified using the inner function.